Good afternoon. Day could be day 6. So I haven't filmed any of this because it was basically filling and rubbing down, which is a bit boring. But all the prep's done now, so all filled, walls sanded, refilled, skirting board already if you want to coat. Window still needs a little bit more work. Just putting a flash coat of white emulsion on. But we'll have timeless on the 3 walls, and this wall is like a matte green. So quick spin round and see where we're at. So tonight I'm going to get all the walls with the flat coat of emulsion on, and tomorrow take the door off because we're replacing that with a half glaze. I'm going to fill around the door frame, finish filling the sanding down the windowsill, another clean round, and then I'm going to undercoat all the woodwork, and then I'll start maybe putting some colour on the walls. Or I might wait and just gloss everything, but that's the plan. And once the decorating's finished, I can start the good bits, which is building everything back up, which is the hearth, the fire, etc, etc. So that's it for today, signing off. See you later, bye. That's it for today. So total work today is sanding everything down, sealing walls, skirting board, and then I've put a coat of emulsion on, flash coat on the whole room today. So got an awful lot done today, so that's a bit of a head start. So tomorrow, take the door off, prepare the woodwork, undercoat the woodwork, paint the ceiling and the coving, gloss the paintwork, let it dry, and then get some colour on, and then we're on with the exciting bits. So see you in the next one.